Just completed your course? Here's how to redeem and download your CME certificate in a few simple steps. First, log in to your Advanced Medical Certification account. Go to My Completed Courses. Find your course and click Redeem Certificate. You'll also see instructions and your course code here. You'll be redirected to CME University, where your certificate is issued. If you already have a CME University account, log in. If not, click Register and complete your details. Check your email and click Verify Me to activate your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your course page. If not, just copy your course code and paste it into the Claim CME Credits search box. Answer the short evaluation and click Done. Click Next, then Download Certificate. You can export it as a PDF instantly. And that's it. Your CME certificate is ready. If you need help, feel free to contact support.